I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Oh man, look at that barbecue. Oh, we got some fish going. We got a fire going. What I normally do here is I open up the tripod legs, do the heat test. Let's bring this camera down just a little bit. Let's do one thing here. Do the low level auto light test. Did that thing just smoke? Don't you just love it when you close the barbecue, the flames come out later? Let's turn the meat over. This chicken. Look at those flames. Close that bad boy down. Now, let me just give you a heat warning. You don't want to do that. But don't take the lens cover off and do what I did. I didn't touch it. Something got on there, caused a smudge. I want to show you a lemon tree. This is a lemon tree. I want to show you a pineapple. This pineapple, look how nice and thick that is. Is there a pineapple growing from the center? Not yet. This is a puppy of a pineapple. And that bad boy is growing. It's going to grow up real fast. I lost another branch, but this is a red pepper plant. There's another red pepper right back here. But I do want to show you an orange pepper. Look at that orange pepper. Orange as the Action 3, not as red as the Action 4. My pepper's just been doing mighty well. I got pepper after pepper after pepper. Do you think these are yellow peppers? They are getting a color. I'm not sure what color they are, but they are starting to get color. And they got a whole bunch of pepper. Let's keep an eye on our food. Our food is cooking mighty fine. Oh yeah. You can smell the spices. The fire. Looking through the flame of the fire. I am like 3 inches or less. You know me. I'm Fish. I love putting the cameras on the barbecue, and that's what I love doing. The camera won't burn. It won't shut down. It goes on there and does a mighty fine job. And on that note, I'll see you on many other cookouts to come.